This is NOAA Weather Radio, your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal serves not only as a test of public warning and alarm for transmitters in West Central and Southwest Florida listening area, but also as a tornado drill done in cooperation with the Florida Division of Emergency Management and your local county and city emergency management offices, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is a tornado drill completed for Severe Weather Awareness Week and is only a test. Citizens are encouraged to review their tornado safety plans, confirm their ability to receive weather alerts through multiple means, including the NOAA Weather Radio, and practice moving quickly to the safest location within a structure. The best location to shelter is often the lowest floor in a small interior room, far from windows, such as a closet or a bathroom. For more information, visit the National Weather Service Ruskin website at weather.gov/Tampa Bay. Also, be sure to visit floridadisaster.org, where you can learn more about Florida's weather hazards and subscribe to Alert Florida, which is a statewide notification initiative to receive emergency alerts and other public safety notifications within your community. This drill was also conducted to test the SAME system, which will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. While today's test also serves as a tornado drill, regular weekly tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the tornado drill and required weekly tests. We now return to regular programming.